Hi y'all, me MDO here to show y'all how to replace a hose bib. This hose faucet or hose bib spigot, water spigot is leaking. As you can see, it's turned off all the way. It's turned off all the way. I can't turn it off anymore. There's a couple ways you can fix it. But the easiest way is to replace it. First thing you're going to want to do is just shut the water off. And then you're going to want to open up your hose bib. And sometimes, usually what's happened is there's supposed to be a little black rubber washer inside of here. And as you can see, there's no washer on there. The washer is completely gone. We could get a washer, but it's just easier to just replace this whole thing. So I'm going to take the vacuum breaker off. Save that, use that on the new one. Then we're going to unthread our hose bib. There'll be a little bit of water. We're going to thread on our new quarter turn one. Use a wrench to tighten it up. Always want to be careful when you're doing this. Right about there is where we want it. Whoops. Okay, we can't have that. Okay. Now we're going to turn our water back on. We're going to test it. Got water. Now we're going to put our vacuum breaker on. You just thread it on here like this. And then that's it. Little button here you push. Last but not least, we're going to put a hose on it, which I have to go get. That's basically it. It's that easy. But you can run into problems. The hose bib might have been soldered on or in the past or something. And sometimes they're not easy to repair. But with this one here, we got lucky. And so you can wash your feet, wash your hands. And then the water just comes out of the vacuum breaker. And that's it. On replacing a hose bib. And don't forget your set screw piece that goes in it. And that's how to replace a hose bib with MDO from MDO Video. Have a nice day.